Oh, just cold start the diesel. Oh, oh, you're going for a swim today, boys! Going for a swim today! So we're just here at the scrapyard, and look what Kyle left them, a little present. Oh, boys, this is not good. It's fucking raining inside of my truck. So we're filling up the Lucas into the transmission using a jerry can fucking spout here, and we are filled almost right up to the brim here. So Jake's about to fire this thing over and see if we can get her to turn. Run it with no rad, but fuck it, death race. Oh yeah, oh yeah. She's dripping out the bottom, but not even that bad. Put her in gear, buddy. My God. I'm surprised this thing's fucking running. This is not how you fix a leaky transmission, folks. Ah, sakes. She slips real bad, and we're just filling her with Lucas. Did it suck it down? Fuck no. She didn't move.
That's so thick.
So we're doing about one part Lucas to 2 parts ATF. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep. That does not sound good at all. Yep, we got a rad here from a 79 Ford. Got some custom hoses. We're just filling her up. Filling her with Lucas, filling her with Alvaline. This thing will be brand new when we're done with her.
Oh, it's full of mouse nest. Jake, there's bird seeds and mouse nest in here.
That's okay, buddy.
Look at it all.
Don't worry about that.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine, Kyle.
Bird seeds. Terrible. It's half full of bird seed in there.
That's okay, buddy. That's okay.
A mouse definitely needs home.
This is a vegan car. This is a vegan car now. Oh, we're just filling up with a little bit of coolant here, folks. Yep. Yep, a little bit of coolant in there, folks. There we go. Yep. She's good to go. Death Race 101, folks. Oh, that's perfect coolant right there, folks. Fuck me, that's almost better than Blue Devil. Oh, yeah. Yep, a little bit of copper in there, too. That'll do. Oh, we're just going back to the shop. We got to weld a bumper on that Equinox there, boys. Let's hope the Ranger's front brakes don't lock up. Look at the cambernation on the Equinox, folks. So we got to fab up a custom bumper mount here because we got to protect the rad a little bit. So we're just going to do a little weldy in between there. That's it. Mint. Yep. Don't even know why you did that. Don't even know. So we're thinking about using a muffler here. Oh, the hanger's getting in the way. We're going to mount a muffler, folks, right to the front of this as a bumper.
Oh, you're shaking my brains.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, we're just welding the exhaust as a bumper. Layer in there thick, Kyle.
Working on it.
Layer in there thick, buddy. Oh, Jake's just fucking getting Kyle so wet right now. Jake just threw her an R and just got snow all over Kyle's rig. Holy. We're death racing, bitches. We're death racing, bitches! Woo! No, we'll get them out. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, we're connected. We are actually connected. Yep. Yeah, there he goes. We're going racing, folks. We're going racing. That thing is fucked. We're going for a little race, folks. I wish Jake wouldn't have parked his fucking Camry there, but... Where we're going, you don't need to see, buddy. That's race. Oh, it's only a little wet. spun out. There we go. That's all we needed, folks. You don't want to steer. Oh, this is fucked. Oh, we're just ruining the fucking ground here, folks. It's actually so wet. Oh, Jake just fucking buried it. I can't go in there, I'll get stuck. Yeah, I was gonna hit him and give him a push, but that's just too deep for me. Two-wheel drive, no Gouda. Fucking buried it. Holy. Give her! Oh, he killed the rad when he hit me. Shit's just flying out of it already. Fuck's sakes, that didn't even last 15 minutes. Oh, she's a squirter. Yep, you just gotta tickle it the right way. Yep. Just gotta get it going the right way. Oh, there it is. Just look at the fucking devastation, folks. Holy. They're going back to get the tractor. Kyle, once again, our only fucking hope to save our sorry asses, because we just bury these fucking rigs. Creating the biggest snowbank. Oh, boys, what have I done? That does not sound good. The fucking flux capacitor ready to take off. Yeah, that's the fan shooting against the fucking stovepipe here, folks. So Kyle come back with the Kubota, just clearing the path. The look of guilt right there on his face. Oh yeah. Yep, that's the look of shame, folks. Just look at the fucking state of this operation we got going on here, boys. Like, what is even happening here? Oh yeah. Yep. All we needed was a tractor. Like every fucking weekend. Oh, you put him deeper in the bank, Kyle. You just put him deeper in the bank. Hey buddy, come this way a bit. Towards me. Oh, ripped her clean off. Oh, oh, money, just stuck, terrible in the snowbank, for fuck's sakes. Jake's just hooking the chain up to the fifth wheel in the back of the Equinox. That's a custom ute right there, boys. Oh, for fuck's sakes. There we go. He's almost there, he is. Oh, yeah. Yep. And the Malibu's overheated. For fuck's sakes. Oh my God. He's gonna get fucking arrested. Terrible. Woo! Death Race 2019, bitches!
So I got a keyless running car.
Yep.
It's custom. You stick her in there.
Yep.
Rumble gun.
Yep. Fires right up. EP for the win. That's it. Keyless entry.
Yeah.
You don't even need it.
You don't need that kind of
Fuck it. Oh, buddy. That looks like it come right out of Lidsville. Fuck.